Salut et bienvenue mes bons élèves. J'espère que vous allez très bien à la maison. Aujourd'hui, nous avons une nouvelle leçon sur le tableau. Good day and welcome my good pupils of Verily International School. Today, we have a new lesson on the board and I hope you have been staying safe at home. So the topic on the board is about professions. We're going to be looking at different professions. Okay, so the topic on the board is les professions. Les professions. That is the topic on the board. Les professions. So we're going to be looking at different professions. So we have many of them on the board. We're going to be seeing them one after the other, pronouncing them one after the other, seeing the meanings, and then we'll talk about something else, like saying who is this? This is a teacher, this is a police officer, this is a lawyer, and so on. Alright, on the board we have number 1, la commerçante. So what you do is you say that after me. La commerçante. La commerçante here is the trader. So this is not S. It is C with an accent down there. So this is la commerçante and it means the trader. The next one we have la coiffeuse. La coiffeuse here is the hairdresser. So when you see la, know that it's a feminine word. It's for feminine word is for females. Now that we are talking about profession, so la is for females and lo is for masculine. That's for males. So you see number 2, la coiffeuse, and it's the hairdresser. So please do well to say that, to be repeating it after me. La journaliste. La journaliste. La journaliste here means the journalist. We have le dentiste. Le dentiste is the dentist. L'avocat. L'avocat. L'avocat is the lawyer. Number 6 we have le policier. Le policier. Le policier is the police officer. Then we have l'enseignant. L'enseignant here is the teacher. We have number 8, le jardinier. Le jardinier. Le jardinier is the gardener. Then we have number 9 to be l'infirmière. L'infirmière is the nurse. Number 10, le menuisier. Menuisier here is the carpenter. Then we have the next one, le chauffeur. Le chauffeur. Le chauffeur is the driver. The next one is la cuisinière. La cuisinière, which means the cook. Then we have le boulanger. Le boulanger is the baker. We have le pêcheur. Le pêcheur is the fisherman. Le pêcheur is the fisherman. The next one is le comédien. Le comédien. Le comédien is the comedian. Then we have l'artiste. L'artiste. L'artiste is the artist. We have le fermier. Le fermier is the farmer. Number 18, le footballeur. Le footballeur. Le footballeur is the footballer. The footballer. The next one is le photographe. Le photographe. The photograph is the photographer. 20 we have le boucher. Le boucher. Le boucher is the butcher. The butcher. Number 21 we have le pilote. Le pilote is the pilot. The next one is le cordonnier. Le cordonnier. Le cordonnier is the shoemaker. Then the next one we have here is le mécanicien. Le mécanicien. Le mécanicien means the mechanic. You have the next one, le tailleur. Le tailleur. Le tailleur is the tailor. Le tailleur is the tailor. Next one, la secrétaire. La secrétaire. So let me see. If you see this is an accent on top, so you write it well. So la secrétaire means the secretary. Next one is la docteur. La docteur. La docteur. La docteur is the doctor. And the next one, but not the least, is la receptionist. La receptionist is the receptionist. Now, apart from that, we're going to have to say, who is this? Who is this? And if you want to say, who is this in French, you simply say, qui est? Qui. This is qui est. Qui est. Qui est. That's the question. Qui est? So you start by answering, c'est. Qui est? And you want to start answering like saying, this is. You say, c'est. C'est le dentiste. Depending on who you are seeing on the picture or who they are pointing at. You say, c'est le dentiste, c'est la docteur, c'est la secrétaire, and so on. So, how do you ask the question, who is this? You simply say, qui est? Qui est? So, the response is, c'est. You start with c'est, and then you mention the profession, the name of the person's profession, and that is the person in front of you. So you look, and then you say. So that is it. We're going back from the beginning, and then you look at the way it's spelled. Take note of the spelling very well and pronounce them still after me. So, like I said, number one we have la commerçante. La commerçante. Number one, la commerçante. Number two, we have la coiffeuse. La coiffeuse. La coiffeuse. This S changes to Z because it's in between two verbs. So we have la coiffeuse. The next one we have la journaliste. La journaliste. The next one is le dentiste. Le dentiste. Next one is l'avocat. 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 Next one is le policier. Le policier. And next one we have l'enseignant. L'enseignant. And we have the next one there to be le jardinier. Le jardinier. The next one is l'infirmière. L'infirmière. And here we have le menuisier. Le menuisier. This also changes to Z. So when S is in between two vowels, it changes to Z. So here we have le menuisier. Le menuisier. Le menuisier. And the next one is le chauffeur. Le chauffeur. And that means driver. The next one is la cuisinière. La cuisinière. And here we have le boulanger. Le boulanger. Here we have le pêcheur. Le pêcheur. And that means, please don't forget, please add this accent on top so that it will mean something else. Le pêcheur. Le comédien. The next one, le comédien. And here we have l'artiste. 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 And here is le fermier. Le fermier. And that's farmer. Then the next one, the footballer. The footballer. Here is le photographe. Le photographe, that's photographer. Here is le boucher. Le boucher. And here is le pilote. Le pilote. The next one up there is le cordonnier. Le cordonnier. And that's shoemaker. Le cordonnier. Yes, 23 we have, number 23 we have le mécanicien. 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 And then 24 we have le tailleur. Le tailleur means the tailor. Next we have la secrétaire. La secrétaire. The next we have is la docteur. La docteur. And the last but not the least on the board we have la receptioniste. So I said, how do you say who is this? You simply say qui est. Qui est. That's who is this? You respond by saying c'est. You start by saying c'est, and then you mention the profession of the person's profession. Example, you can say, if I ask qui est, that means I'm asking you who is this qui est. So you can say c'est la cuisinière, that is the cook. C'est la cuisinière, this is the cook. Or you can say, if I say qui est, depending on who is in front of you, just mention c'est le photographe, c'est le boucher, c'est le pilote, c'est l'avocat, c'est le policier, c'est l'enseignant, c'est le jardinier, c'est l'infirmière, c'est le menuisier, c'est le chauffeur, c'est le boulanger, and so on. So like I said, la is for male, females, and lo is for males. Okay, having seen all this today concerning the profession, we have devoir on the board. So, activité sur page 61. Activity on page 61. So, go to your book, open to page 61 and do the assignment there. Alright, see you next time. Au revoir.